Uncle Nearest 1884 and hook shrub cured bacon on a grilled cheese sandwich? What a great way to end Black History Month. Let's go ahead and make it. So go ahead and pour your shot of 1884 Uncle Nearest, which is one of the most recognized and awarded whiskey brands in the world. By the way, this dude actually taught Jack Daniels how to make whiskey. Let him know, y'all. So we'll mix up kosher salt, brown sugar, and then also some midnight. Get our pork belly and rub it down nice. Then we are actually going to brush on some of that 1884. Go ahead and get it in all the crevices all the way around, both on the meaty side and the fat side. And then we're going to get our seasoning and go ahead and just pour it on, and then go ahead and massage that right in, top and bottom again. And then one more layer of sticky sweet flavor. We're going to pour on some tamarind and rub that in, and then we'll put it in a Ziploc bag in the fridge for a week, flipping every single day to make sure it gets nice and cured. After a week, you would actually slow smoke the meat on a smoker at a low temperature to make sure that it's cooked all the way up to about 150 degrees. And then normally you'd vacuum seal that. But this is after that process because someone named me forgot to film it. Anyway, you'll portion it out. Go ahead and get your meat slicer. Slice up those beautiful, thick pieces of pork belly. Then we'll go ahead and get our heavy skillet and drop them on in there and fry them up. Make sure to turn both sides. Now, the crazy thing here is I like my bacon fried hard. So you know what? Some of it is going to look extra crispy and extra done. So after frying them up for several minutes on each side, I'll go ahead and make sure I save that bacon grease because I'm going to cook with it. I'm going to put it in my brisket. I'm going to do something with it later. After we wipe down a little bit of that bacon grease inside the skillet, we're going to throw in some butter, throw in a couple slices of bread, sprinkle on some midnight on the top, and we'll flip them. Now, we're going to do this by itself first. Then we'll throw on some heavy cheese. Then we'll throw on all of our bacon slices and top that with cheese and smash that puppy down again. Now, before we flip it, we'll go ahead and put on a pat of butter. Then we'll flip it over, smash it down with your hand, and then just watch that cheese skirt bubble. Next, we'll remove that to a plate. Now, it's so crazy because this looks like it's burnt, but it's actually the midnight on both sides of this. We'll go ahead and zoom in. Then we'll sprinkle it with a new sauce that's coming down the pipe, y'all. I'm so excited to launch that. Now we get to take a bite of this beautiful Uncle Nearest and midnight cured bacon on a grilled cheese sandwich. Man, what a way to celebrate Black History Month. Find our seasoning on hookshrub.com.